Start by assembling the linkage. Insert the bushing into the valve link, small side down, and install the spring with the spring ends facing up. Compress the spring and rest it in the stop. Place the drive pinion on top of the linkage with the pin between the spring ends. Apply grease to the drive shaft and drive shaft bushing, and install the drive shaft into the cylinder. Align the link assembly and finish installing the drive shaft. Clip the drive shaft to the linkage. Apply grease to the pinion shaft and bushing. Seat the bushing in the crankcase. Assemble the governor washers and engage the rack. Install the governor in the crankcase. Install the pinion shaft with the opening facing in. Double check the rack and pinion operation. Apply grease to the flap valve shaft and partially install it into the cylinder. Install the flap valve with the projections facing up. Align and install the flap valve through the exhaust port on 97 and 98 models and through the cylinder on 99 through 01 models. Apply grease to the exhaust valve shaft and connect it to the valve. Align the valve shaft with the flap valve and place the sub-exhaust valve on its bore. Apply 2-stroke oil to the valve, then press the valve into the cylinder. Turn the valve until the cutout is facing up and install the stopper bolt hand tight. Install the bearings with the manufacturer's marks facing out. Seat the valve link against the end of the valve so the tab sits in the cutout. Rotate the valve counterclockwise and insert a drift into the hole. Install the Allen bolt and torque to 48 inch-pounds. Lubricate the left sub-exhaust valve with 2-stroke oil. Align the valve with the valve shaft and press it into the bore. Lubricate and install the bearings with the markings facing out. Install the collar with the stepped side facing in, followed by the snap ring. Lubricate a new O-ring and install it on the valve cap. Apply grease to the valve cap threads and install the cap hand tight. Tighten the Allen bolt on the pinion holder temporarily and test the operation of the exhaust valve system. Loosen the pinion bolt as you will need to adjust the system after the cylinder is installed.